90% of the people that watch my videos are not subscribed. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that button below. And if you want a free Forex training, check out the link in my description. I just made one. And also follow me on Instagram. I post content on there as well. And if you need any help whatsoever, shoot me a DM. Now let's get into this video. Yo, what's going on, guys? I hope you all are having a great day. Today I just want to go over how the markets went this week and actually what you guys should have been looking for, the setups that you could have taken, all that good stuff. Let me adjust my head real quick. Alright, we're good. So I want to go back to Monday, and for all of you that don't know, you can click this little date button right here and you can go back to any date. So let's start with Monday. And what we're going to be going over, I want to show you guys like the ideal setups that I took, the trades that you guys have taken, and the way that I see the markets, how you guys should be trading. So I am on the minute 15 chart. This is really the time frame that I've been trading off of lately. And all I'm doing is looking for specific reversals, candles to close at specific times. So the specific times that I like to look for: 6:45, 7 a.m., 7:15, 7:30, and 7:45, and maybe 8 a.m. But I like to stay between 6:45 to 7:45 a.m. And I'm looking at the candle that closes at 6:45 and the candle that closes at 7:45 for the last candle. Okay, so this was Monday right here. Perfect reversal candle right here, beautiful doji. We do have an M pattern as well. And for all of you that do not know, one thing that I like to do when I'm looking for reversal candles is look for a certain pattern within those candles. So we do have an M pattern right here. Here's the right leg of the M. And M signal sells, W signal buys, A signal sells, and V signal buys. Write that down if you guys don't already. So realistically, what we're looking for a sell is an A pattern or an M pattern. So like we have an A pattern here, V pattern here, V pattern here, W pattern here. Okay, there's all these different patterns in the market. The W pattern was right here, do, right leg of the W, doji, ride it up. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for when I'm trading. So this was right here, a perfect reversal candle. That was at 7:15, because if we look at the bottom, it's 7 a.m., but the time that it closed at is 7:15. So on Monday at 7:15, we had a beautiful setup occur right there. You could have taken a nice short, and usually I'm just aiming for about 1,000 pips per trade, or if I see that a psychological level is near, like we had a psychological level near right here, that's about 3,000 pips. So you could have targeted the psychological level, or you could have been like saying to yourself, do you know what, I'm cool with 1,000 pips per trade, that's dope. And within 15 minutes, we hit 1,200 pips, which is pretty nice for that setup. Also, this setup was really nice because if we sold it, the risk would have been only 680 pips. So basically a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So I'm telling you guys right now, one of the most important things with trading is timing. We got to make sure we're on the right side of the market at the right time. Okay, this is Monday. Now let's go to Tuesday. Okay, right here, beautiful setup again, 6:45. We have this beautiful reversal candle, rejects our psychological level at 32,750, and then after that just tanks flawlessly. Now something that you guys want to keep in mind is when you are trading, you want to know you're on the right side of the market, or you're going to know you're on the right side of the market when you see a quick reaction away from the zone that you're trading at. Okay, so we can see that we do have a nice reversal candle. Then right after that candle closes, look at that drop. Within 15 minutes, it's already dropping 1,100 pips. Okay, then this candle came down and closed the body of this candle that it didn't, or closed the wick of that candle right there. So we knew that this was going to be a definite sell. Also, this is a prime example of where I would have targeted my psychological level right here. So on my psychological level that's very close to my entry, that's where I would have my TPs, and it hit it flawlessly. So we do know that, sorry about the notifications, guys. We can now see that this was our setup right here. Once again, that timing is coming involved, and we do have our A pattern, just a big A pattern right there. Boom, boom. Okay. So this was Tuesday, pretty nice day. And if you didn't catch this setup, you could have caught it right here, and just kept riding it down. Wednesdays are known for being choppy. I think this Wednesday, yeah, this Wednesday was a little, wasn't very choppy, but the setup occurred late. It would have been very nice to get this trade to buy it right there at 6:15, but the market opens up at 6:30, and like I said, the first time that we like to look for is usually 6:45. So this is our 6:45 candle right here, and that would have been a pass because look at this long wick to the downside. There is going to be a very big stop loss, and especially with this move already occurring, that's too big of a move for us to already enter. We want to be buying at the very low and selling at the very high. So Wednesday would have been a pass. I don't think I would have traded that day. Actually, I didn't trade that day because I don't really trade Wednesdays. Okay, here's Thursday. So we could have caught a trade right here on this sell candle or this bearish candle right here, but I don't know if it would have done 1,000 pips. Yep. So 955 pips. So we're close. We could have caught that trade right there. And then we have a second opportunity right here, but it's out of our time zone. This is 8:15 that it closed. So if you're still in the markets, you could have taken a short right there and probably caught about 3,000 pips off that move right there. Straight drop after. Okay. And this was Friday, 2 days. So today was actually my favorite day out of the week. It was very clean, very clear. The setup came at the specific times. Clear uptrend that we are already in. Then we saw a higher high right at the open of the New York session, came down for a higher low, tricked everyone to go short right here on this candle because this was a market open right here. And then we have this doji and then followed. This is the candle that I actually entered on, was this spinning top right here. Rejected our 20 moving average and our 50 moving average. And a big thing that we need to keep in mind is we did break through a very strong psychological level, 32,000. And then it came down and retested it. So once we saw the break above it right here on this candle, the body closed above it, I knew that that was really good confirmation and we were going to see a very quick reaction off that level. And that's exactly what happened. Right after that candle had closed, boom, we shot up 1,200 pips, and within 30 minutes we shot up 2,200 pips. So if you wanted, you could have targeted this golden zone, or you could have just gone for 1,000 pips. But this is what happened this week. I hope you guys got some information, and maybe rewatch this video again if you don't understand it all the way. I want you guys to understand how I see the markets and what I'm looking for. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.